Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ford Fiesta vs Fiat Linea full comparison. Please watch closely as I analyze design, performance, fuel economy, ownership costs, and practical daily use in clear, bite-sized sections that you can follow step by step. Pause the video at any time to compare trim options, check my summary tables, and note key specs like fuel consumption and cargo space, so you can decide which hatchback or sedan matches your needs. Let's look at design and comfort, comparing Ford Fiesta versus Fiat Linea in a friendly, detail-oriented way that highlights styling, materials, and seating comfort for daily driving. I'll describe cabin layout, ergonomics, and visibility, then point out practicality like seat adjustability, storage cubbies, and trunk access. Listen for my impressions on ride quality and noise, and imagine how each car would feel on your commute today. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like the video to support more car reviews. On another note, bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use during road trips. They save space and prevent spills in your trunk, which is handy when testing hatchbacks and sedans. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we dive into engines, performance, and fuel economy to compare real-world driving between Ford Fiesta versus Fiat Linea. I'll explain power, torque, and gearbox choices, plus handling feel and steering feedback in practical terms. Expect clear fuel consumption figures, cost per mile thinking, and maintenance considerations so you can weigh efficiency against spirited driving. I'll summarize pros and cons to help you match driving style to the best option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.